Welcome to CarSanook. I'm Johnny, the driving editor. Today we're testing the all-new Honda City turbocharged. This is the 5th generation of the famous City, Honda City, with huge improvements. From the driver's point of view, the 5th generation Honda City, massive improvements from the engine, now a 1 liter 1000cc 3-cylinder engine, to the interior we're looking at here. 8-inch screen, all the buttons all in place, easy to operate. No fussy logic here. Everything just turn, increase, decrease, temperature. Infotainment is radio. Yeah, we still want radio, okay? We got USB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, whatever you need. And the time, of course, in military time. No AM, PM. I'm here in front of the engine room. So what have we got? Honda Earth Dreams technology, VTEC Turbo. Well, this is downsizing par excellence. 1 liter, 1000cc engine, 3-cylinder, 1, 2, 3, pumping out 122 horsepower or 273 Newton meter of torque. Fuel consumption approximately 23.8 kilometer per liter. Mind you, CarSanook, we say fuel consumption, not fuel economy, okay? Take this baby out on the highway and you can go 200, just like one of my colleagues, Somsak. He went 200, unbelievable. I have to mention that I'm driving the top of the line Honda City RS variant. Turbocharged, of course. Price 739,000 baht. Everything included. No additional optional extras. It's all inclusive. So what do you get for 739,000? You get plenty, including the grab handle. Look, yeah. Now I can, yeah, for my biceps. Grab handle, must have for the driver. Steering, light but responsive. Front wheel drive, of course, but again, the 1000cc 1 liter engine, thanks to the turbocharger, lot of power on tap, which once you get out of Bangkok and hit the highway, yeah, it's power. For overtaking. Now the brakes, okay, some complain the brakes, the drum brakes and the rear, no, come on. It's driving in Bangkok now 3-4 days, and let me put it this way, the brakes are sufficient and safe for city and highway driving as well. Handling, thanks to the improved stability, is fine. Once you put the shifter, the gear selector in S mode, and you want some sporty driving, you can use the paddle shifters connected to the 7-speed gearbox. You can put the shifter in D as well, normal driving. And to save fuel, save the environment, you can put it in this green eco mode as well. Smooth driving. Even when using the eco mode, you still have plenty of power on tap. Again, thanks to the turbocharger. That's it. It makes a big difference. Some might say, hey, there's no sunroof. There's no moonroof. Come on, it's hot outside. Radiation, glare. Do we really need a sunroof? No, thank you. No sunroof. We don't need a sunroof. Give me turbo, but no sunroof. Power outlets, very important to charge your smartphone. Okay, we got 2 USB ports here, easy to see, the all white, no fiddling around, just easy plug in, and a 12-volt outlet as well. Plus, in the back, 2 more. That should be enough for 739,000. Outstanding seats, upholstery, including Alcantara here on the side, and leather, and armrest in the back as well, with 2 cup holders. More interior details. Check this out. Yeah. No fiddling around with the toothpick to find the switch. This is form and function. You can do it like this also, okay? Right? Let's talk about the wheels. Honda City RS is riding on 16-inch Yokohama wheels, tires, and the turning circle is amazing, outstanding. It's like, you know, turning on a coin. Handbrake, old school. And you can also do those cool action handbrake turns like in the movies. The all-new Honda City RS is by definition subcompact, but it's very spacious. 4.5 meter long, 1.7 meter wide, and there is ample space in the front, as you can see, and I'll show you later also in the rear seat, plenty of space. Okay, Johnny CarSanook here in the rear seat of the new Honda City RS. Plenty of space, yeah, for 2 grown-ups. Nice armrest, cup holder, and grab handle, and yeah, what else? What else can I ask for? Yeah. In conclusion, the all-new Honda City, especially the RS variant turbocharged, is an outstanding 4-door sedan. My recommendation, a test drive, and you'll find out. This is Johnny CarSanook signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to take a nap now.